25. What type of DNA enzyme is made use of in most of DNA manipulative techniques? Option 1 is partially degraded, B is purified, C is degraded or denatured, D is enclosed in a parent cell. Correct option is option B, purified. MCQs 26. Enzymes that remove nucleotide one at a time from the end of DNA molecules are called ligases, exonucleases, endonucleases, modifying enzyme. The correct option is option B, exonucleases. MCQs 28. Which endonuclease cleave both single and double stranded DNA molecules in a non-specific manners? Option 1 is S1, B Bal31, C DNase 1, D BAMH1. The correct option is option C, DNase 1. MCQs 29. Clinofragment is a modified enzyme of which of the parent DNA polymerase? DNA polymerase 1, DNA polymerase 2, DNA polymerase 3, DNA polymerase 4. The correct option is option 1, DNA polymerase 1. MCQs 30. The tag DNA polymerase is a DNA polymerase enzyme from the bacterium Thermus aquaticus. 1, 2, 3. Clinofragment. The correct option is option 1, DNA polymerase 1 enzyme from the bacterium Thermus aquaticus. MCQs 31. Which of the following statement is not true in case of DNA polymerase reverse transcriptase? Option A, involved in replication of bacteriophage. B, uses RNA as a template. C, used in complementary DNA cloning. D, synthesize DNA from RNA. The correct option is option A, involved in replication of bacteriophage. MCQs 32. Which of the following is not source of alkaline phosphate enzyme? A, E. coli. B, calf intestinal tissues. C, arctic shrimp. D, calf thymus tissue. The correct option is option D. MCQs 33. The DNA to be cloned must be cleaved along with the vector and with the same restriction enzyme. This statement is true. MCQs number 34. The host control transcription is a phenomena related to bacteria, virus, plasmid, gene of interest. The correct option is option A, bacteria. MCQs 35. Which type of restriction endonucleases is used most in genetic engineering? Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. The correct option is option B. Type 2 is type of restriction endonucleases which are used in genetic engineering. MCQs number 36. The restriction endonucleases PVUL isolated from Proteus vulgaris cut DNA at which position? A, hexanucleotide. C, G, A, T, C, G. B, random position. C, towards the end. D, hexanucleotide. C, A, G, C, T, G. The correct option is option A, hexanucleotide. C, G, A, T, C. MCQ 37. The restriction endonuclease ALUL is isolated from which microbe? A, Proteus vulgaris. B, Staphylococcus aureus. C, Erythrobacter luteus. D, Haemophilus influenza. The correct option is option C. 38. The term endonucleases refer to cutting the DNA sequences from option A, only within the polynucleotide chain, not at the end. B, ends of the chain. C, anywhere in chain. D, exactly in middle of the chain. The correct option is option A, only within the polynucleotide chain, not at the end. MCQs 39. How many classes of restriction enzymes are there? 2, 1, 3, 4. The correct option is option C. MCQ 40. The restriction endonucleases is having a defense mechanism in bacterial system against foreign DNA such as viruses. But how it is able to protect its own DNA? Option 1 is by methylation of bacterial DNA by restriction enzyme. Option B is by methylation of foreign DNA by restriction enzyme. Option C is by phosphorylation of bacterial DNA by restriction enzyme. Option D is by phosphorylation of foreign DNA by restriction enzyme. The correct option is option A, by methylation of bacterial DNA by restriction enzyme. MCQ number 41. Even after replication, how the modified DNA remains protected? A. It remains protected because of conservative mode of replication. B. It remains protected because of semi-conservative mode of replication. C. The mode of replication has no role to play in protection. D. It is against modified after replication. The correct option is option B. It remains protected because of semi-conservative mode of replication. MCQ number 42. Type 2 cuts the sequence in following way. A. Within the recognition sequence. B. At 100 to 1000 nucleotide away from the recognition sequence. C. At 27 to 30 nucleotide away from recognition sequence. D. It cuts randomly. The correct option is option A, within recognition sequence. MCQ number 43. After cleaving the sequence, the nature of end created by type 2 endonucleases is A. The ends created are always single-stranded. B. The ends created are always double-stranded. C. Either the ends are single-stranded or they are double-stranded. D. One end is single-stranded and other end is double-stranded. The correct option is option C. Either the ends are single-stranded or they are double-stranded. MCQs 44. A sequence is having two ends, 5 and 3. Which of the following statement is correct regarding to the nature of ends? A. The 5 end is having hydroxyl group. B. The 5 end is having phosphate group. C. The 3 end is having phosphate group. D. Any group can be present at any end. The correct option is option B. 5 end is having phosphate group. MCQs number 45. The blunt ends created by restriction endonucleases can be joined. This statement is MCQs number 50. Which of the following is most important discovery of that leads to development of rDNA? A. Discovery of double helix model by Watson and Crick. Discovery of DNA as genetic material. Discovery of restriction enzyme. All of these. The correct option is option C. Discovery of restriction enzyme is most important discovery of leads to development of rDNA technology.